How to fix Spotify error code 18 on Spotify. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open settings of your phone. Then you have to go directly to apps or applications. Then you have to go directly to Spotify now. When you found Spotify, guys, just go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, and then go to click clear data, click OK, go back and click on first stop and click OK, and the last thing is going to Play Store and update your Spotify again. That's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.